All right, so in this video, we're gonna go over what comes with your free Blackstone kit. And I say free because they actually send you this stuff for free. But then when you send it in with your oil, you will have to pay to get the analysis back and all the paperwork and stuff like that. So to start with, it comes with your container. So I got two because I'm doing a sample on both my vehicles running AmSoil. So I'm gonna use one for the Tacoma, one for the 4Runner. And they're double, basically double packed, overpacked if you want to call it. So the oil goes in this cartridge right here, which is the clear one. You tighten it up. And then this one is the outer, which has like an absorbent material inside. And then you just put the cap on, screw it up. And then next you will fill out your card. So it comes with two cards because like I said, I got two kits. So one side is all your vehicle stuff. Whether it's gas, whether it's diesel, the make, model, the whole nine, of course your personal info. And then on the back side, how you're gonna pay for it. So you have two ways to pay for it. You can throw a check in here in your return bag, or you can just go online and pay the $40 for the analysis. What I'm probably gonna do is just use the credit card one online because it's a little bit easier and I don't really write checks. But also with this, it gives you step-by-step how to do your analysis, and it's really cut and dry. So the oil can be any temp. It tells you how to pay, it tells you how to pack it, and then when you get your results. So you get the results online through an email. So it's really quick and easy. And with that, like I said, you also get the return packages. I got two of them here and they're shipped USPS Ground Advantage, which takes a couple of days. If you want to do overnight or FedEx, depending on what you're doing, you can do that. Just include it in, you'll have to pay for that label yourself and keep your tracking. And lastly, it comes with a sticker and then the little podcast card, which these really have nothing to do with the kit. It's just a cool sticker if you want it for your toolbox. But overall, like I said, it's a free kit, and that's how they sell you on this really is you don't have to pay up front to get the kit, because some people will procrastinate. They'll get the, they'll wait to do something because it costs money up front. But depending on what you're doing, like for me, like I said, I'm trying out 3 different oils right now, and I've been running AmSoil now, and it's a lot of talk and a lot of stuff about AmSoil. So I want to do the test and see how it is actually working on my vehicles. One of them is 24 Tacoma. It's pretty much brand new. It's got 4,000 miles. The other one is my 4Runner, which has done everything from off-roading to towing a trailer to daily driving, so on and so on. So I want to just get initial baselines of how everything looks and how they're running. I also might order another kit and do it for the Civic that I had to mill the head and swap the head gasket, just to make sure everything is looking good moving forward. Obviously it runs fine, but sometimes those things can go prolonged, and they'll last 6 months to a year, and you'll have a small problem that turns into a big problem. So something I want to do. But anyway, this was just a quicker video to go over what all comes with your Blackstone kit when you request it. Like I said, you can request 1 or 2, and then after that you can request more vehicles, but typically up front they allow you to do 2, because obviously they don't want to send you 15 of these and you're not going to do anything with them. So if you have any questions, I will be sending one of these off within the next week with the 4Runner AmSoil oil change. And once I get the results, I will post a video on what it looks like and how everything played out as far as that. One last thing to note is that if you do want the TBN data, it says right here, you will have to pay an additional cost of $10. So just a heads up. So this could cost $50. I will probably go ahead and do the $10 add-on for the first one, and we will see how that goes.